Hello, my name is Christian.
And my name is Alicia, and we will be talking about the laws of sine and cosine. You see, each of the laws can solve problems with different sets of information.
Yes, law of sine deals with triangles with the given information of angle side angle, angle, or side angle.
And the law of cosine deals with information of side or side angle side.
The main formula for law of sine is sine of A over A is equal to sine of B over B is equal to sine of C over C. And in my opinion is way easier than the law of cosine.
Well, that is if you like proportions. In my opinion, law of cosine is easier because it is a formula and can be put in the calculator, but the formulas are pretty tricky. Try A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of A. And all the letters can be changed out for whatever is given.
Wait. But what about that Heron's law?
Well, we don't use that much, but the formula is fancy A is equal to the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. It is to find the area of a triangle.
Wait, why couldn't you just use the same old formula that we learned in 4th grade?
No. Because this one substitutes a side for an angle and requires a whole new approach.
Okay. But can we see how these laws work and how to use them?
Sure, try this one for law of sine. Solve for x.
First you would set up a proportion. Sine of A over A equals sine of B over B using sine of 98.4 over 376 equals sine of 24.6 over B. Then cross multiply and get B times sine of 98.4 is equal to 376 times sine of 24.6. Then divide both sides by sine of 98.4.
So it should look like B is equal to 376 times sine of 24.6 divided by sine of 98.4. Make sure your calculator is in degree and the answer should be about 158.21890 units. Did you get that? If not, don't worry. All of these are in your book with more examples, and you could even ask your teacher.
Moving on to law of cosine. What do you got for us, Alicia?
Well, try this one. Solve for x. First, put the information into the formula so it looks like A is equal to the square root of 441 plus 1764 plus 1764 times cosine of 39.
Then simplify to the square root of 834.11452. And the answer should be about 28.88104.
That's right. Should we do a harder one?
Yes. Let's do one solving for an angle.
Okay, let's try this one. Solve for theta.
First you would use a revised version of the formula. Cosine of A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2BC.
First you would plug it in so it would look like cosine A is equal to 10 squared plus 20 squared minus 12 squared divided by 2 times 10 times 20.
Then simplify so it equals A is equal to the inverse of cosine of 0.89. And get the answer 27.12675.
So to review, the law of sine is sine of A over A is equal to sine of B over B. And the law of cosine is A squared equal B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of A.
Well, that's all folks. Have a nice day.